right, here's a little video about how to make songbooks in music class. We will often make little songbooks for different seasons or themes. And they're just one piece of paper that we make one cut in and a whole bunch of folds, and voila, you have a songbook. You can make your own at home, no staples required, just a piece of paper and scissors. For this example, I am using our Christmas Carol books from 2020. Some of the papers that went home were pre-cut and pre-folded, so I'll show you the process with those and then show you from a blank piece. So for the pre-cut, pre-folded, all you have to do is fold it in half hot dog way, make a diamond in the center, and you're gonna actually flatten that diamond out. Just give it a crease. And then just keep turning pages and flattening them until you get to the front page. So I'm just gonna finagle this, flatten, fold, flatten and fold. This one was cut a little wonky. Okay, and there you go. You can check to make sure everything's all there. And once you have your songbook folded, be sure to put your name on it and then decorate it however you wish. So whatever the theme of the songbook is, maybe you have stickers at home or some coloring pencils, but be sure to personalize it. Just make sure you can still read the lyrics. Okay, so here is the original. I drew a line here. Some of the songbooks I give you, I'll actually copy a line onto them, and that is to show you where to cut. So I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes. So first, you're going to fold hot dog, matching up the top edges and the corners. The cleaner your folds, the easier your book will be to create. Hamburger fold, again, top edges, top corners matched up. Upside down T, nice crease with your fingernails. You can leave it like this and do another hot dog fold. All right. Then open it back up to here, and we are going to cut a hole across just the middle two pages. All right, so from the fold, from the middle center crease to the first fold line, that's it. Take your scissors, follow that crease all the way to the first crease. So notice my paper is still intact. I still have one piece of paper. Okay? So again, fold in half and cut to the first crease from the center fold. Then we're going to open it up, fold hot dog, make a diamond, and you can kind of see it actually come together right there just from the diamond. And just, I kind of like to match up my bottom corners. Make it nice and tidy. Match up bottom corners, nice and tidy. All right, there we go. And again, you can decorate. Last little demo is with a plain piece of paper so that you can make your own book, whatever you want to do. Tell a little story. So hot dog fold, draw a little series of comics, make a present for someone, hamburger fold, and then leave it in a hamburger and do a hot dog. And then again, so on a blank piece of paper, there is no line drawn, but let me show you where I'm cutting. Leaving my paper folded, I'm doing a partial cut from the center fold right to the first fold line. Open it up. So here is where the hole is. My piece of paper is still intact. Fold hot dog, make a diamond, and you can see it trying to just close in on itself. Line up the bottom corners. And this is a blank book, so you can pick whatever you want as the cover. But isn't that nice? Now you have a little book you can fill out with no staples or tape needed. So go crazy, go nuts. Make a bunch of books and decorate them. Send me some pictures over email or in Canvas. Well, let me know what you create. Have fun.